Hi, kids. Today is December 20th. Let's see what the next truck is.
This is right.
Boo. Okay, here it is. Number 20. Let's get it out. Okay, here we go. We're going to have to look. We've got Soldier Forget. Let's get this out before I show you guys. Okay. Oh my god, this door. Okay. Yeah. Okay, here's how it looked like. It got black tires and rims with snow. It's a gray chassis and it got a green body. And something gray here. I think that's for the chassis. Because tomorrow on December 21st, right here. Bye. Thanks for watching.